check the reading on T15.
Looks good. Level confirmed.
All right, secure the brace on the south side.
Lower the beam gently. Watch the alignment. Careful with the glass panel. Secure it tightly.
Does that brass strip align with the molding?
Hold it there. Let me get the measurement exactly right.
Lift that beam up now.
Holding it steady. Is the platform secure?
Looks good. Lock it in.
Keep moving. This area is good.
All right, bringing the buffer through now.
All right, clear the area. We're initiating the lighting test now. Powering up the main chandelier. Looks spectacular. Kill the power.
How's the leveling on this side?
Looks good. Solid now.
All right, let's get this polished up.
Check the spacing on this side. Looks good. Are the lights ready up there? Flipping the main switch now. Almost done with the curtains. How does the table look? Just finalizing the centerpieces. Everything's symmetrical.
Looks stunning, team.
The vacuuming is done. Polishing complete.
All right, everyone, let's head out.